Dramatic rescues and several Jamaicans being swept away by floodwaters have dominated the news for months now. So this evening, TVJ News dives deeper into Jamaica's long history with drownings at rivers and gullies, revealing what may be causing the current wave. Kelisha Williams has part one of a three-part Primetime News in Focus report, Troubled Waters.
Roaring rivers, gullies swollen beyond capacity, resulting in dramatic rescues.
When me look is a woman, me see her come down in the gully. So me say wait out there, Shabal, I say help me can't swim, me I go dead.
The stories of sorrow. Close to 10 Jamaicans swept away by floodwaters since 2024.
Very nice girl.
To understand what is fueling the problem, TVJ News went to one of the sources. Castleton, St. Mary. 3 people swept away within a month. The body of one of the victims was found days ago, weeks after a river excursion turned sour.
A lot of time I can 4 months back and the baby wash down there, so.
Then, days later, on Sunday, September 29, Tamara Ivy and other residents in the community were crowned unsung heroes. Their quick thinking led to the rescue of a 3-year-old boy who was at the river with his family.
When I look at the little boy going down the stream, the water was really heavy. When I try to save him, I run down the bottom. When I can't swim, when I try, I see I cannot cross this. I say, Lord Jesus, I have to go across the river. The man grabbed him by his foot. And it was pumping, but nothing was responding because I guess he under the water a good while.
And so, Tamara took the initiative immediately and stopped the first car she saw, which transported the child to hospital.
I said to my sister, come, we got to save this little boy. He's dying.
Luckily, he survived. Still, they find it hard to move on from the people they couldn't save.
Ella, I used to work in the garden, right there. So the water lick him off of the road, where they drive in the road and jump in the river. And him can't find him missing.
And how long ago was that?
And that like 2 decades ago.
His body was never found. In Cassia Park, St. Andrew, battle scars tell the tales of terror. After a war against water, Errol has been rescuing many people for decades in this gully, but one scarred him for life.
That China woman, where the wash shan that young gentleman, and the car, she was coming across the gully and the water just come through upon her. So I try to say I could reach the car, say I could get her out of the car. Yeah? But at the time, the water washed me at the same time too. And the water also evidence going to the water and the whole sitting in the water, chop up on my foot. So I have to jump up to the water. Car mash up, sink up and all those things when them find the car and find the 2 dead bodies in the night.
And then there are cases where there's no one around to help. Tony lives near the Negro River in St. Thomas. Some months ago,
when the water catch me on my waist and the river backs me, no hold on for the 2 cow them and the calf go away and for them go away and the hog then go away, I not see them.
The Negro River is calm now, as you can see, almost knee-high. But when it swells, it ends up here, inside this community, at this height.
When I met the guy in the water, and then I trouble really because the water and then way back over.
Further upstream the Negro River, these people in Trinityville, St. Thomas, takes us down memory lane. A popular gully called Susie Gully with a dark history. Junior Wilson is Miss Susie's son.
She did go to her mother, and when she reached here, the water bust on her. It block up with tree and stone and debris, and bust and flood her out into the river. And I find her calf and catch 4:30, I say, seaside.
That was 22 years ago, but Mr. Wilson remembers it like it was yesterday.
Cry all the night. I could never sleep. My sister, nobody no sleep, man. I be a bawling for my mother, man.
Now, is it that floods have become worse over the years? If so, how? And what are the signs that a river could soon be in spate? Find out tomorrow. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
There was